wanted a date for these games. Bro trying to plan out his check.
I ain't even trying to plan out my check. I'm just trying to be like, damn, I ain't getting that. Like, I know I'm not getting it, but you're not even giving me a date to deny you.
Not actual gameplay. Mm.
I'm not getting this already. Off rip. These are
Oh,
ants.
yes, thank you for that. David Attenborough. The only way I would get this if it's like the deadliest creature game that I played back on the Wii. Excellent game, didn't get enough respect.
Play
Damn,
all the
Wii.
lace right now. Play all the lace right now.
And then the bird stole it from you. Crazy.
Play the intro to all the lights with the piano.
This
Cause
is
my man is dead.
this is actually. Oh no! Oh, I thought that bird was cooked, bro.
I think that bird's still cooked.
Yeah, no, that bird about to get eaten, ain't he? Log
Yep.
and all.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's over, boy.
Oh yeah, it's clipped.
Oh, the bird
Oh,
was saved. Why am I watching a movie
I'm
right now?
kind of intrigued, bro.
Nah, I'm not. Get me away from here, bro.
bro,
I ain't trying to die
bro,
for
looking
real,
at his
for real.
worst nightmares. I've never felt so much anxiety than when I was a spider in that game, Deadliest Creatures, bro.
Oh, you played that?
Yeah. Oh my god, it's Metal Gear Solid.
Oh my god, they really did that?
It's Metal Gear
What?
Solid, bro.
No fucking way.
Oh, the debate, and then the symbol in the goddamn trees.
No shot. No shot. Ooh.
Wow, Snake Eater, crazy. That's actually crazy. I need to get this. I'm gonna need to get this song. No way they just did that.
They're coming out with the collection?
Wow,
Nah, that's so sick. I might have to get
that
that.
is sick.
I did not expect that. I was not expecting Metal Gear Solid.
That not from all that, bro. They they did all that and said Snake.